Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was looking for a pair of flip-flops for my husband, and I found the perfect pair. My husband loves these flip-flops, and that means a lot because he's kind of a picky guy. What he loves about them is how they hold on to his feet. He had a different pair of flip-flops that we needed to replace, and he said they were so floppy and so loose around his feet that he felt like he had to constantly squish his toes together to keep them to stay on. So that was really important to him. He loves the way these fit. He loves the way they feel. He's very comfortable in them. He says they have a great arch support in them, which is really important to him to have a firm foundation, and he likes the padding on them. He also likes that they're waterproof, so we can wear them to the beach, to the pool, anywhere, and they're not going to get all soggy and wet on him. He thinks that they're the most comfortable flip-flops that he has ever had. They're extremely durable. He wears them all the time, and they don't show any signs of wear. They still look brand new. These flip-flops have way outdone themselves. They fit perfectly, they're beautiful, and my husband loves them. But that's just our point of view.